So here we have the new Talisker released by Diageo, the 2020 special release. Nicely designed canister. Twist it around. As you can see, it's quite a sleek design, and the bottle itself, it is said to be finished in rum casks with slight notes of pepper at the end to finish it off. It's quite a head nodder at 57.9%. You get 32 standards, nice bottle, great design, and a great whiskey. Next up we have the Lagavulin 12YO, so it's slightly older than the predecessor. Different brand, still nice sleek design on the canister. Switch it around, have a quick look. This is finished in American oak casks, so I'll take the bottle out. As you can see, it's nice design. Lagavulin speaks for itself. That one is 56.4%, so it's slightly less ABV than the Talisker, but again, it is another Diageo special release, and we have it here at MyBottleShop.